Dave and Joanne, a prosperous o masaganang buhay mag-asawa. So meron po tayong long string na hawakan ni Joshua, Candy or Princess. Ayan, so dalawa lang po, yung dalawang dulo po. Para po sa mga gusto mag-share ng blessing, nandito po yung ating red string. Bibigyan kayo ni Miss Jessil at nandito po yung ating mga perdible. Pakiingatan po yung mga cash gift. Yung dulo lang po ang lalagyan nyo ng pin at baka po hindi tanggapin yan sa bank. Ayan. So again, naka-standby din po si Kay at si Mark for additional third song if ever tumagal po tayo. Once again, maraming salamat po. Ayan po. In behalf of Mr. and Mrs. Gamboa, mag-start na po tayo para sa mag-share ng kanilang blessings. Once again, Mr. and Mrs. Gamboa, malakas sa palakpakan po. My name once again is Miss Ma from LVC Events and Catering Services. Like us on Facebook, type in LVC Events, 13,000 followers. Simulan na natin ang ating prosperity dance. This is Joanne's song request from Adele. So naka-standby once again si Mark at si Kate to join me for the third song. If ever magkakaroon tayo ng third song. Family, relatives, friends, and guests, yung tulo lang po ng ating cash gift ang ipipin po at baka po masira ang ating bills.
Standby kay Misa.
Mobile bar up to 11 p.m. God bless you all mga kababayan here at Gimba, Nueva Ecija. When the rain is blowing on your face and the whole world is on your case, I could offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love. When the evening shadows and stars appear and there's no one there to dry your tears, I could hold you for a million years to make you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet, but I will never do you wrong. I've known it from the moment that we met. No doubt in my mind where you belong. I'd go hungry, I'd go black and blue, and I'd go crawling down the avenue. No, there's nothing that I wouldn't do to make you feel my love. Once again, Team LVC, so glad to be here mga kababayan ko sa Gimba, Nueva Ecija. Napakasaya po namin na nandito po kami at dumayo kami sa inyo po, sa ating pong hometown. Enjoy po, ayan, bati po tayo ng best wishes and personal kay Ian at Jo. At i-share po natin ang ating blessings for them. The storms are raging on the rolling sea, and on the highway of regret, the winds of change are blowing wild and free. You ain't seen nothing like me yet. I could make you happy, make your dreams come true. Nothing that I wouldn't do. Go to the ends of the earth for you to make you feel my love. To make you feel my love. Once again, yan po, make you feel my love.